kind with the wheel.
That's the mommy and the daddy. They have their babies now. Dito sila namugad. Ayan. Ayan. Sa bintana ng kwarto namin. Hello, birdie. Ano na to? Mga 2 weeks na sila dito, guys.
Mom, this is baby Yum's house.
There, guys, they have baby dog now. Yan. Yan, sumisilip-silip lang tayo dito, guys.
Look at
Masyado pa naman mainit sa labas. Ilan ba yung anak niya? Isa lang yung nakita ko. Oh, ang liit, guys. Sobrang liit. Baka dalawa kasi usually they have 2 babies or 2 eggs. Ayan. Hindi pala kita. Ayan, ayan. Oh. Ayan.
Mom, where did the flashlight go?
I think, look, they have a baby Wester boy. Look at that. Yeah, she's baby. Maybe it's 2 also. Yeah, it's 2. Let me check. Hello, Mommy Dove. How are you, Mommy Dove? Maybe she laid in the other side, so at least I can feed them. She's here, so I cannot open our window because I already put some. See, guys, it's covered with cardboard because we don't want very bright during the day. Chico. Yan. So this is the female one who's here. Silipin natin. Uy, wala na sila dito, guys. Kahapon lang andito sila. Ayan, wala na yung mga babies. Wala na din yung parents. Siguro kasi sobrang init, baka namatay yung mga sisiw. Ayan yung pugad-pugad nila, guys. Wala na talaga. Baka nalaglag yun. Ang timing kasing pangingitlog nila, guys, sobrang init na. 40 degrees na yung temperature pag tanghali. Kaya pag andito pa yung sisiw, naku, maluluto talaga. Kasi di ba kakapisa lang kahapon. Sobrang liit pa. So sobrang init. Ito nga, itong glass, mainit niya eh.